Introducing the 𝐊𝐞𝐲 ballast mounting system, meticulously designed for rapid and dependable solar panel installations on flat concrete roofs. Constructed with aluminium and stainless steel, it delivers superior strength and resistance to environmental elements. Ideal for demanding solar setups, this system is a testament to advanced engineering and design, offering both durability and functionality across diverse environments. Our product preserves the integrity of the roof by avoiding penetration and potential damage. The ballast system's design takes into account the load-bearing capacity of the roof, ensuring the safety of the overall structure. A notable feature of our ballast mount is its fixed tilt angle, precision set at an optimal 30 degrees. This angle is strategically chosen to maximise solar energy absorption, enhancing power output efficiency. Catering to the varied requirements of solar panel installations, the mounting system accommodates both framed and unframed modules. It also offers the versatility of portrait and landscape orientations, allowing for optimal space utilisation and efficiency. Our in-house engineering team is ready to tailor the system to specific project needs, factoring in local wind speeds, roof load capacities, and other client-specific conditions. Constructed to withstand extreme weather, our system is rated for wind loads up to 64 metres per second, ensuring stability and security even under severe conditions. The system meets standard packaging requirements for transportation, providing both cost effectiveness and convenience in shipping. In line with our dedication to quality and customer satisfaction, we back our product with an extensive 10-year warranty. At 𝐊𝐞𝐲, we source the raw materials for our products, maintaining high standards through rigorous quality control processes. By bypassing intermediaries, we minimise additional costs, allowing us to offer you more competitive pricing.